No, honey. Tell me some more questions. What else? What's your favorite color? Good. Do you know any of your uncle's names or aunt's names or cousins' names?
Samantha and Jocelyn, I can't read.
Who are they?
My friends.
Those are your friends' names. What are your cousins' names?
Cousin of what? Where?
Oh, in Colorado?
Callie, RJ, and what? Who? RJ's friend.
His brother?
Yeah.
Josh?
No.
Jonathan?
No.
Brendan?
No.
What's RJ's friend? I don't know. Who else is your cousins? Whoa!
Sam.
Sam is your cousin, that's right. Who else?
Yeah, it's my sister.
She's your sister?
Yeah.
Oh. How about, who's your uncles?
My uncles, I don't know. Who's is my uncle?
Uncle
Jim.
Who else?
And Uncle Andy.
Uncle Andy?
And Uncle Rick.
That's right.
That's you.
That's my brother.
Yeah.
And, uh-oh, we're losing focus. Okay.
Huh?
And who's your aunts?
My aunt's funny.
Wait, you forgot Uncle James.
Oh, and Uncle James.
And Uncle Alan.
Yeah, and Uncle Alan.
Did you say Uncle Andy? Yeah, you already did, I think. And there's Uncle Kevin. Do you remember him?
Who's Uncle Kevin?
He's the one who hurt his foot. Remember? His little girl's named Leah and Tyler.
Hey, I know. We can go visit Tyler.
Tyler, yeah.
We can go visit them.
That's a good idea.
But they're far away?
Yeah, where do they live?
No, I don't know.
Don't they live where Grandma Rosie lives?
No.
Well, where does Grandma Rosie live?
In Colorado.
Right. Where does Uncle James live?
Uncle James in Minnesota.
And who are your aunts?
My aunt. I already did my aunt.
Who?
All of them.
Oh.
All of them. And all of them.
School?
No.
Didn't we go to your school?
Yeah.
Where you're going to start going on Tuesday? Your preschool? Will that be fun? Are you pulling up the shades?
Yeah, but no bad guys can see you.
So no bad guys can see me?
No, but nobody can see. Uh-oh, look it, come over here. And look. Mother, come over here. The stage is broken.
You got to pull the other string.
The other string?
No, the other one.
This one?
Yeah. It's all right. Pull it down. Pull it just a little bit.
I'm scared of the stage. Can you help me?
Sure.
Stop, I don't get the picture.
Here's the shade.
It broken?
No, it's just crooked.